This is another house, but the luxury house inside looks like here in this. Touring inside this luxury house. Oh, the lighting is so light. What's it there? Yes, bro. It's an open kitchen. It's nice. Finally, you got this big balcony. The big balcony. You see here, you can get the appropriate views of your neighborhood. So also nice house. You can see now the view around, man. Hello beautiful people, how you doing? Good. So today I'm just gonna show you something, a beautiful luxury house here in Addis Ababa, and we're gonna have a tour inside this luxury house, and then we can figure out, is really those luxury house here in Addis Ababa good? And I mean, like the design, every stuff. Yeah, we're gonna check that out. This outside the compound, it looks like this one. So let's get it. Big gates. Wow. So brilliant, man. Look at for the outdoor activity, how wide it is. So nice, I think. This one is brilliant. This is exactly beautiful. You can see the green area here. I think it seems so luxury. And here, the owner of this house. How you doing?
Yeah.
You good? So today, I'm gonna show your house to my audience, to my people. It's okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Very good.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, my bro.
Yeah.
This guy is the owner of this house, and he's willing to show me what really house, I mean a residential house here in Addis Ababa looks like. So we're gonna tour, and then you guys will give your judgment whether really this house is good or not. So we're gonna judge it. Let's get it, man. So on the gate, this is the house. So let's tour inside. Hey, salon. Yes, bro. It's an open kitchen. You see now. Nice, man. You gotta see nowadays. It's an open kitchen. It's nice. Oh my God. This is also another kitchen. It's really luxury, man. Look at the luxury houses here in Addis. For storing something, your grocery here, and this is the kitchen. And outside again, you guys see nowadays. Yeah. You see? Wow. It's well done. You guys see this? So brilliant, man. I like the house. So let's try and walk upstairs. Wow, this is the salon. Look at how beautiful is the light here. The bedroom on the ground. Let's move upstairs. too. Now, so rooms for the bedroom again here on the first floor. A heater, a nice mirror, and here the sink for shower. It's a beautiful room. Ooh, look at this. It's a bedroom. Can you see now? Putting your stuff here. So nice. See? It's everything nice and cool. Another master bedroom and a balcony here. Oh, you will see now the outside. So being on the balcony on the first floor, you can have this view. You can see there. So the nearby houses, same luxury, nice house. So this is on the first floor. You got these all rooms together for you kid, for everyone. Another wide room. Look at the lighting here. Oh, so where is it? So this one here. Okay, so good. You see this also, those. You can see now those houses nearby. This is what the view around looks like. Seriously beautiful, man. Yeah, these are the luxury houses in Addis. Yeah, let me close it up again. And let me show you upstairs again, the last floor. Does it have terrace? I don't know. Let me check it. Wow. Oh, this one? Yeah, this is a family salon, exactly. See how it's wide. Here is for your family. It's a family salon. You can see. Oh, man. So this is on the last floor. This is for your family. Look at the lighting. These are also the other rooms. Another very wide and big master bedroom. You can see it now. It's actually so nice. Oh, this one also shower. It works. For shopping, it's good. Try it. Really nice, man. Okay. Finally, you got this big balcony. The big balcony. You see here, you can get the appropriate views of your neighborhood. These are also nice house. You can see now the view around, man. Yeah, this is the tour on those luxury house in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Bro, how you doing? You good? Nice. I'm good, bro. So this is what luxury houses inside look like. I'm trying to show you what the inside looks like here. This is a tour on those luxury house. Also another room again here. I'll show you, I think. Still you can see the outside. The windows are so good, designed in a nice manner to view the outside. Really nice. This one's, I think, the best one. For me, this one, absolutely nice. It is too, so nice, really nice. So it's the best one. Whoa! Brilliant house here. You have a nice house, my brother. Yes. Really is good. You got a nice house. Yeah. This guy is ready for selling his house. He's an owner. He's a good man. Willing to show me. So, on the outskirts from the main compound or the fence, this is what those houses look like. This is the house what we have been tour inside, and this is the looks outside. Yeah, the same three houses are constructed with the same structural design. Another beside here. This nice house what we have seen here, this cost us 55 million Ethiopian salidbir. Yeah, when I see the inside, it's so nice and good. 55 million Ethiopian birr it costs us. You can see now. This is what it costs us. 55 million Ethiopian birr. Yeah, maybe I will put you how much it's in dollar. So, anyone looking to buy a house, there are this kind of beautiful house for sale in Addis Ababa. Yeah, contact me so I can help you to reach those owners and you can have a deal. So guys, this is a tour around the luxury neighborhoods of Addis Ababa. Now, on our way, I'm trying to show you the outside also. Guys, do you know what I get here? Epiphany is gonna happen after 2-3 days, and these people are doing something great work for Epiphany, for celebrating Epiphany, the baptism of Jesus Christ. There is a memorial celebration festivity which is gonna happen on January 11 Ethiopian calendar. So let me show you what these people are doing here. አይቻል ምን ችግር አለ? ጀስት ኦኬ ግን ኦኬ ኦኬ it's not allowed to record, but this is what looks like what they are doing here. You know, the ark should be kept here. It will be Epiphany celebrated here. It's a beautiful thing, I think.
ለቃርጽ ብዬ ነበር they said no
አይቻል
አሉ
የቤተክርስቲያን ስለሆነ
they don't know this. I'm trying to promote that. Yeah, that's it actually. This is, you know, common in Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church. They're gonna do this one, and the ark will be kept here, and then that's how Epiphany is gonna be celebrated here.
ራሱ ላይ መጨመሪያ መቀነሻም አለው ይመስለኛል። አዲስ እንትኗን አስተካክልላቸው ማለት ነው። ለቤተ ክርስቲያኑ አሁን ለጥምቀት በደንብ አድርገው አሁን ያልጠራቅም እንዳትነኩት በላቸው። ሁሉንም ሰብስበው አርጋችሁ በደንብ አርጋችሁ ሰሩት። አሉ አይደል? ተቀምጠዋል አይደል?
So guys, finally I'm here in a beautiful cultural house where we can enjoy Ethiopian cultural food. You gotta see now this. It's our drink stuff. And this is the food we're gonna enjoy. So let's go. Beautiful people, the nightfall here in Addis Ababa. Yeah, been showing you a lot of things around that luxury house found in Addis Ababa. At my dinner in a cultural house, and this will be the end of this video. So let me wrap up the video here and see you another time by another video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, share and like the channel. See you, my beautiful people.